A terror attack took place in Pahalgam, Jammu and Kashmir, which is a very heartbreaking incident that has shaken the entire country. In this tragic attack, four brave Indian soldiers lost their lives and many others were injured. It was a shocking and painful moment for the entire nation. People everywhere, be it ordinary citizens or celebrities, are heartbroken and angry. This is not just news, this is a tragedy that touched every Indian heart, and when such incidents happen, the nation mourns together. From social media to newsroom, there is only one question: how long will we lose our brave soldiers like this? Soon after the news of the attack spread, several Bollywood celebrities came forward to express their grief and show support for the families of the soldiers. Actors like Akshay Kumar, Sanjay Dutt, Siddharth Malhotra, Ayushmann Khurrana, and others shared emotional posts on social media. They paid respect to the Jawans and demanded strict action against terrorism. But now, one of India's most loved and respected singer, Arijit Singh, has made a big decision that's getting a lot of appreciation. Arijit Singh was supposed to perform in Chennai on August 11 at the YMCA ground in Nandanam. His fans were eagerly waiting for the concert. Tickets had already sold out and the buzz was huge. But now, in light of the Pahalgam terror attack, Arijit Singh and his team have cancelled the event. Yes, the concert is cancelled now. This isn't just a random decision, it's a very thoughtful one. The cancellation comes out of respect for the soldiers who lost their lives in the attack. So, according to the event organizers, they decided to cancel the concert because they felt this is not the right time to celebrate or entertain when the whole nation is mourning such a huge loss. They also mentioned that a new date for the concert will be announced later, but right now their hearts are with the families of the martyrs. Arijit Singh himself hasn't posted a personal statement yet, but his team's moves has said it all. Actions speak louder than words, and this decision shows how much Arijit respects the emotion of the nation. In a time when some celebrities are facing backlash for promoting content or posting cheerful videos while the country is in pain, Arijit's quiet action is being praised everywhere. Fans are calling him class apart, saying that he didn't just talk, he actually did something meaningful. This also shows how the Pahalgam attack has impacted not only common people but also artists and public figures. It's not just news, it's a deep wound for the country. People are expecting more sensitivity from celebrities, and Arjit Singh seems to have understood that perfectly. The concert, which was expected to be a grand celebration, is now postponed until further notice. And honestly, this is being seen as a sign of solidarity and humanity. So, what do you think about Arjit Singh's gesture? Was it the right decision to cancel the concert out of respect? Should more celebrities follow this path, not just putting out emotional posts but also making real decisions that show they care? Tell us your views in the comment section and do not forget to like, share and subscribe to the Free Press Journal.